It's a great quote, Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it's done. So this playground is a combination of Parks and Rec, Harper's Playground, you guys, the parents, and the bond that was something that we all voted on to give money to Parks and Rec. So it's everybody working together to bring this to you.
So MLC community, drum roll please. Hello to our playground.
So we're out here at Couch Park in Northwest Portland, right next to MLC School, and we are watching some of the kindergartners play for the first time at their new playground that just opened on Saturday.
I remember there used to be another giant wooden playground that they had to bring it down because it was rotting.
It actually had worn out, and in 2014 we had to remove the main wooden structure because it had become unsafe and would become a huge concern. We didn't want anyone to get hurt playing out there.
I think it's great! It's better than the last one. It's way better than the last one. It used to only be like a metal structure. Yeah.
I like this park. I mean, it's a lot better than the blacktop, and it's kind of like the one in my neighborhood.
Because there's a whole play structure and stuff, and the blacktop is just a place where you could kind of run around.
Because you have way more possibilities, and like you can still play tag and stuff, but you can also play in different things and stuff.
Yes, you can climb, and you can't really climb on the blacktop. People are playing tag and pushing people on swings.
People are climbing on blocks.
When we were talking with MLC families about how to fix this problem and how to create a new playground, they brought Harper's Playground into the conversation. They are a nonprofit that's really focused on creating inclusive playgrounds. And by inclusive, I mean a playground that kids of all abilities and all ages can find something fun and welcoming for them to play at. And there's different challenges for different ages and different physical abilities.
Right now we're doing what's called scan sampling. It's a science inquiry process data collection technique.
So I put a tally. I have this kid that I'm marking off. I put a tally on which quadrant he's in every minute.
And they've also designed some places where we'll be able to do journaling work, be outside. They've left some of our beautiful trees here. So it's a beautiful space, and it's going to be an extension of our classroom.
Because yeah, when you're in school, it's kind of, you're in there for a long time, kind of just sitting, and it's good to get some energy here.
Students need to run and climb and play and jump and move, and they haven't had a chance to really do that for the last 4 years.
So that they can get their energy out and have fun.
Just come and check it out. It's a beautiful, beautiful place.